How's it going, everyone? Today we have a lot in store. I had picked up a Westfalia a few years ago, transmission blew, gave it to my buddy who I thought was going to do something with it. He didn't, and it got pretty, oh man, I can't close my gate with one hand. It got pretty gross. So today we're working on the Westie, but I have to first clean it, which I'm not excited about. And then I have to pull this engine and transmission in the next 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, I don't know how many days, because I have to take this down, or the transmission down, to get rebuilt by a guy in Canyon City, which is 4 hours from me. And then pick up a Subaru in Colorado Springs, which is 3 hours from me, bring it all back here, and start pulling the transmission engine on that. But let me show you how gross this van is right now. So first off, here's the van. It has a clean title, even though it clearly is not clean. So we'll have to do some sort of custom front end here, and that door doesn't even open, so figure something out there. But I mean, otherwise it's not the worst thing. It does have the pop, it's got all the kitchen supplies and stuff. Oh, I don't know if you guys are ready for how gross this is. Yep, that's right, that is mouse shit, and it is everywhere. Not even mouse. I mean, it's probably squirrels or something. Maybe it's mice. I don't know. I literally almost just threw up. It's so gross. I'm not excited for this at all. But I gotta do it. There's no way I'll be able to work on the car with it like that. So let me get all my stuff. Probably, I don't know, hopefully I'll have the video out, but if you haven't seen it when this comes out, I made a seat for this bike. It's pretty sweet looking. So, all right, gotta grab this. Oh, fuck, dude. Got everything I think I need. Oh, God, this is gonna be so gross. Grab some gloves, hopefully it'll help. I don't know where I'm gonna set you guys up. I don't want to bore you guys with me cleaning this, so I'll just do a really quick time lapse. And I really have no clue where I'll set you up. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out, and we'll go from there. Done some I've done some gross stuff before, but this one takes the cake. I'm probably not even a fourth way done, and I've tried to throw up twice. Oh, it's just so gross. But I'll probably just cut to the end of this so you guys don't have to continue watching. So I'll see you guys in 2 hours. Yay. All right, I thought I'd go ahead and give you an update. This is everything I pulled out of the Westie. So this is now like almost full of just junk. I'm clean. Here, let me show you the inside. This is easily the most disgusting thing I've ever had to do, but it looks so much better. I'm not done, but look at that. You can actually see the ground. That's just spare parts and stuff, but like, man, I'm very happy with it. All I have left to do right now is the front, what's it called? The driver's side and the passenger side footwells and stuff. Ooh, that's slippery. Just ate it. So, you know, I cleaned a little bit of this back part, but there's still some stuff in here, down in the footwells. Same with over there. I was trying to get in contact with Go Westy, which is who I'm getting the conversion kit from, and pick up though. So I'm just gonna start taking things off. I was trying to see if, you know, they could tell me if there's anything I should keep, but screw it. So I don't know what I'll start with, but probably just all the things on the outside, get the wires out of the way, go from there, I guess. Once again, this is my first time pulling a rear engine transaxle, so hopefully it's like everything else. Probably not though. Yeah, we'll start pulling this apart. This isn't really going to be a how-to video. This is more just me showing you guys my project and what I'm kind of doing. So this is what I'm thinking. You know, I'm going to just start pulling, you know, hoses and the airbox and these reservoirs back here, things like that, and we'll just go from there. Get all the wires out of the way. But yeah, once again, this won't be exactly a how-to video. I'll try and do more of a how-to video on the actual engine swap, like putting the Subaru engine in, just because that is impossible to find any videos on YouTube. But there are, you know, there's tons of things for just pulling the engine. So yeah, well, thank you guys. Catch you soon. About a month ago, my floor jack was stolen. So I haven't boued a new one, and I think I should probably do that, and then maybe get a creeper, because I really don't want to lay on the ground here, but kind of need to, especially because this back tire is flat, like completely flat. So, you know, that drops it down an extra 2 inches or so, which does not help me out. I think I'll go get my jack and a creeper, come back, get to work on this. Yeah, I've cleaned it, so now it's literally me just pulling the engine, which I really cannot do without that jack. Also, even if I get the jack, I don't know how am I gonna jack this up here? Oh man, this sucks. While I was at the store, I had an idea. Why am I trying to pull the engine and transmission? That's stupid. All I need is a transmission right now. It's like 20 volts, 20 bolts to do that, so. I know this is a beautiful angle, by the way, so. But I'm gonna just do that right now. So, yeah, I got the jack. I think I need to go higher though. I still can barely get under here. So we'll go ahead and I'll jack this up more. But yeah, we're gonna take that off. It's gonna be way easier. I'm stoked. It is now freezing and dark. So I'm gonna call it a night. I got most everything off except the CV axles, which they're old and they're like just all stripping. So I picked up some vice grips and stuff, and I don't know. We'll see if we can get it to come off tomorrow when it's warm out and I'm not freezing cold. So yeah, catch y'all in the morning. So last night it decided to snow. It's still snowing now. So I shoveled all underneath the Westy, and I'm kind of just letting the water help melt it. It's not cold right now. It's not warm either. Yesterday I was in a t-shirt. Not today. So while I let that slowly melt a little, I'm gonna order me some Instacart. Gotta get my groceries done, but I can't drive because I own a Miata with very bald tires. anyway, all right. Yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys in a little. Alrighty, real quick, this is just what I'm having to do. All of these bolts here, there's like 6, I think, of them. Yeah, 6 of them. They're all so disgusting and old that they're just wanting to strip. So I'm putting the wrench in there and I'm just hammering it in as hard as I can. And I mean, it's most likely going to destroy these. I'm going to replace them anyways, but it seems to be working. So yeah. Also, you can tell how disgusting this transmission is. Even the engine's pretty gross. So glad I'm getting rebuilt. I'm gonna need a new CV boot too. When I was spinning it, I noticed it had a crack in it and it's just gotten worse. So yeah. All right, let's get back to it. After a brutally cold day and a very late night last night, I got the CV axles finally out of the transmission. It is now 9 o'clock and I'm happy to say the transmission is out of the Westie. I am sorry this wasn't a how-to video. Like I said earlier, you know, I was on a time crunch. You know, I had to get this done. I actually got it done a day early. So tomorrow I'm gonna work on my motorcycles. But yeah, if I would have been trying to film that, that would not have been fun for me. So I'm sorry about that, but this is part 1, guys, of my Subaru Westfalia engine swap. It is gonna be awesome. I cannot wait. I'm picking up the Subaru engine, actually the whole Subaru, I'm picking up in 2 days, and I'm dropping the transmission off to get rebuilt. I'm not sure yet if I wanna do the limited slip differential in it. I don't know how much that's gonna cost me extra. I'll find that all out. But once again, guys, thank you so much. I hope we get a lot of support on this build. I haven't seen anyone else on YouTube really showing the in-depth details of doing this. So hopefully I can do this for you guys and this will help you guys out. Maybe you guys can do this to your own one day. But yeah, part 1, guys, is done. I got the transmission out. I'm so excited. So yeah, I will catch back with you guys in a few days. We're gonna be pulling the engine on the Subaru. And we'll be going from there. But stay tuned for the motorcycle video that should be coming out soon on making the seat. I'll be working on finishing that, or almost finishing that tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much, and I will see you guys later.